how to manage your orders in CustomCat. Congratulations on your first sale! Now that you see your customer's order in your e-commerce platform, head to the CustomCat app to track its progress. After you've logged in to your CustomCat account, click Orders in the left navigation menu. Next, select your store from the drop-down menu. You will be brought to a list of all of your most recently processed orders. Before an order is processed, each of your orders is filtered into one of two lists on this page in your account. We'll go through each of these lists separately. If the items your customer ordered are available for fulfillment, the order will enter your pending orders list. If you have automatic processing turned on, as is the default, your orders will be processed from this queue automatically every 2 hours. Once processed, you can view the order details in your Processed Orders tab to the right. Because orders in your pending orders list have not yet been processed, you have not been charged for fulfillment or shipping and can make changes to the items in the order. To do so, click Edit to the left of the order. Here, you can edit your customer's shipping address, the shipping method associated with the order, or delete an item from the order. You can also update the design associated with the order and the color, size, or garment selected. To make these changes, click the Edit Product button next to the product in your order details. To change the garment color or size, simply make a selection from the available options. If an option is not currently in stock, it will not be listed within this module. Notice here that size extra large is currently unavailable in our selected color. To update the design associated with an order, click the Design tab at the top of the window. From here, you can either select a design from your design library or upload a new design. If you'd like to change the item in the order to another item in our catalog, click the Select Different Product button. This will bring you to the CustomCat catalog, where you can select any alternative item. Please remember to click the Save Product button if you make any changes to an item in your order. From your pending order list, you also have the ability to manually process or to cancel an order. To process an order, click the green arrow at the far right side of the screen. To cancel an order, click the red X. After confirming, your order will be removed from the CustomCat app. Keep in mind that canceling an order in CustomCat will not refund your customer. It will only keep the order from being processed and produced. Likewise, canceling an order in your e-commerce platform will not cancel it in CustomCat. It will only refund your customer. Make sure to cancel your order on both platforms if you'd like to cancel and refund it. If your order is not listed in your pending orders list, it may have ended up in your error queue. There are a few different reasons an order could be in your error queue. The most common is that the item your customer ordered is temporarily out of stock. If that's the case, the items in your order will have one of two statuses. Items listed as stock on the way aren't able to be produced just yet, but we will have the inventory on site within the next few days. Items listed as temporarily out of stock are items that are not yet on the way to our facility. The status of these items will change to stock on the way once additional stock is secured. Additional reasons your order may end up in your error queue include invalid shipping address, invalid product SKU, submission of a rejected or banned design, a failed charge to your payment method, or a discontinued item. You will be able to manually process an order after you've resolved the issue by clicking the green arrow to the right of the order. After an order has been processed, it will move to your processed orders list. You can access your processed orders by clicking the Processed Orders tab above. You will be brought to a list of your 25 most recent orders. You can organize your list by searching for a particular order number, customer name, or email, or filtering by order status or type. Additionally, you can view orders from a custom date range by modifying the dates at the top of the page and clicking Apply. The orders displayed here can also be exported to CSV spreadsheet by clicking the Download button on the right. Any orders in your processed orders list have been processed, meaning your chosen payment method has been charged, the base price plus shipping cost of the order, and the item is in queue to enter production. You'll notice the status of these orders is awaiting production, which means order decoration has not yet been initiated. Until your order has shipped, you have the ability to modify the shipping address or the shipping method that will be used to ship your order. To do so, click the order you'd like to change. From here, click Edit Address to update the address, or select the shipping method you would prefer, see the associated upgrade cost, and confirm the change. If you need to make any other changes to your order before it has entered production, please utilize the Stop Order button and contact customer support to request our support team make an adjustment on your behalf. This will ensure your order does not enter production before the adjustment is made by our team. If you would like to cancel an order that has already entered production, you will also utilize the Stop Order button. However, you will be asked whether you would like to cancel and refund only the shipping cost or keep your order in production. We are unable to fully cancel orders that have already entered production. The in-app support button should also be used for all order-related inquiries, changes, or replacement requests. For more detailed information about how to submit a customer support request, please visit our tutorial on the subject. After your order has shipped, you will notice a tracking link in the far right column of your order list. If your order was processed through an integrated store, this tracking number will also be sent to your e-commerce platform. Any associated shipping notification emails will automatically be triggered by your e-commerce platform and sent to your customer. That's it! You've now learned how to manage your orders in CustomCat. For more CustomCat tutorials, plus frequently asked questions, tips, tricks, and more, visit CustomCat.com.